In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a credit to an invoice in QuickBooks. We'll walk through how to take an existing customer credit and apply it to the right invoice so your accounts reflect the correct balance. This is especially handy after issuing a credit for a return, discount, or adjustment, and you're ready to clear or reduce what the customer owes. Start by opening QuickBooks in your browser and signing into your company file. Once you're on the main workspace, move your cursor over all apps to reveal the available options, then open the Customer Hub. This area brings all your customer activity into one place, making it easy to find the account you're working with. From here, click Customers to view your full customer list and their open balances. If your list is long, use the search or sorting tools at the top to quickly locate the right customer, then open their profile. Next, choose Receive Payment. This opens the payment window for that customer. At the top, confirm the customer name looks right and check the date if you want the application to reflect a particular period. You don't need to enter a payment method for applying a credit. The key is to match the credit to the correct open invoice. Scroll to the Outstanding Transactions section. This section lists the customer's open invoices. Just below or alongside it, QuickBooks typically displays any available credits for that customer. Credits may auto-apply when you select an invoice, or they'll be visible so you can review what's about to be used. Click the invoice you want to apply the credit to. As soon as you select it, look at the amount received or the remaining balance field. You should see the total adjust to reflect the credit being applied. If the credit fully covers the invoice, the balance will drop to zero. If it's partial, you'll see the reduced amount due. Consider adding a short memo so future you or anyone else reviewing the account understands which credit was applied and why. When everything looks correct, choose Save and Close. QuickBooks will record the application and update both the invoice status and the customer's balance. If you return to the Customer Hub and the customer's profile, you'll see the invoice marked paid or partially paid and the credit reduced accordingly. That's it. Quick recap. Open QuickBooks, navigate through all apps to the Customer Hub, go to Customers, select Receive Payment, review outstanding transactions, choose the correct invoice, then Save and Close. If something doesn't appear as expected, double-check you're on the right customer and that the invoice is still open. Thanks for watching, and you're all set to keep your records clean and accurate.